Accident where e pass for place where they call am say my 16. 7 people they be there inside motor. Lucky say no man, he no die. We go talk that palaver this afternoon. School e get for turn back for Monday. Country people them. How school they prepare inside Mongo division for place where they call am say Lum. Mami them and papa they say money no day. For Sika say they never fit for buy school picking them their back. For place where they call am say Marua 1 Council, some government school for them where they call am say government school Katwal. For that side, no one pikin e never register so today. Now for Sika waiting, we go tell you now. Fire too e enter for some Benin people that place inside Bonamusa the market for early this morning time. All this story then so we go join them plus even chapter for politics for talk say they so people that way they want turn up for chapter for vote. Forget new kunkuma all man e dey prepare on ground for see as we vote e dey pass. We sabi say people there like Cabral Libi, OC Joshua, they do already land for that side for Switzerland for continue for talk with Cameroon people them. Prophet Frank where we sabi like for Afangwing, we hear say get for enter for Cham today. So for continue for meet up with people them before campaign CCP start. Tori wey newspaper then get, we go bring them. Announce to for person we don't lose, we go put an offer inside one number. Big part talk for this afternoon, in the tell we say waiting. Say man or person a fashion, a day like a woman way a day with the belly. But anyhow you want hide, you must to so come out. As a person in fashion, a day like a woman way a day with the belly. No matter how way you hide her, it go so come out Sunday. Now Raimatu for that side for village. Now I send we big part talk for this afternoon. I return back to water. Plenty glad for meet up una for the last time inside moon for August for this side so for Equinox Story House. Sabi say when next time we go meet up now for inside September moon and na they say we school e get for start. If Papa God 11 say make we meet up for September moon. But anyhow, today last day waiting there for inside Tori. Chapter 1 we go take una talk na palava for fire. This early morning time na 3 o'clock where fire e visit people them for Bonamusa the market. I say 3 o'clock this early morning time. Now where fire enter for inside Benin people their place for Bonamusa the market. So now they never fit for talk wait way pass, wait way happen before fire enter for day. The only thing we fit talk now say there's people that Benin place e don't burn. I say we never fit for talk wait way e pass for inside this fire way e burn. Now for that side so for Bonamusa the country people them where fire e burn Benin people their place for this early morning time. Now so to current to e dey only make na for that side. As so na the sea and so na Douala. No be na say they dey burn dirty. Na Benin people their place and that where they be the burn so this early morning time for 3 o'clock. Sabi say army rescue unit where they come up for this side so for inside Douala here. Then say they be run reach for day for see as so they did lose the fire. They fight with the fire from 3 o'clock. So take for 6 o'clock before last they lost that fire. So take now we never fit for talk thing way pass and waiting it happen before this fire a burn Benin people their place. Sabi say the fire be overwork quick. For Sika say all the Benin people them they join like say now one mami burn them for inside one place. So now the fire that where e burn for Bonamusa the market this early morning time 3 o'clock. Now where that fire is start for burn. No man no die, but plenty cargo them they don't burn. Accident we take una go for that side for roads for my 17 my 16. Accident happen for day this morning time before ambassador Waibu enter for Tori box. Accident don't happen. Now motor that way tumble side. Person one at the say away the fine shoe wearer. Now he be the drive that motor. They talk say whether he name na pepper must to be for inside fish or na fish game must to get pepper. And no one sabi the name. But now he say that way the commercial go find the shoe them. He be there inside that motor with 6 other passenger people them. They come out for Boya. They be the one go Limbe. They say he be the wrong with the plenty speed o. He be overtakes other motor. As well overtakes other motor one time. Motor tumble side. All them 7 they be fall for inside here. No man no die. Now the boy they say that he come out they take photo for a motor where he don't tumble side. As well the talk they be dead and 7. Lucky, I say lucky say no person he no die for that accident. See that boy with his short trouser no, with short baggy. Now that short trousers now way he say make that accident. As well the talk. Papa God know how way he do it in them. So no person he no die for that accident. I be talk for some time tori for corner side. But now make we show on a photo for strong medicine way they cash am for Douala Airport. I say strong medicine on a cigar you want put on a cocaine you want color. Now way they cash am for that side so for Douala Airport. Now that now they see no. Now in that way they don't bring am from Philippines. If one pass for inside Douala, custom people they see am. One time they take am. Then the two way sweet me on top. They put na Mama Mary face or cover am. Eh man, they put na Mama Mary face or cover the thing. All the medicine so the cocaine wey they cash am. They say come on for Philippines. They carry Jesus in mommy face. Put and cover am before they carry the thing pass. I no sabi the kind smell, the kind nose wey custom people they get am before they sabi say they so na strong medicine dey. They say they don't carry Mama Mary face cover the whole thing. They want ashamed no see Mama Mary, innocent Mama Mary. They don't use and cover drug where they want to take and cancel for inside Cameroon. But last custom people they take am. Yes, custom people they pick that drug. That one a BB shame. Say you go carry man in face. Person where people they prayer for you all time. Where he be mommy for all Cameroon people then. You carry am, you recover medicine. For can't say people them medicine. Come up for Philippines. Well, we thank custom people them for the better work way they do am for that site. We return back for road for Nyasa. And we must also talk. That road na disgrace. That road na disgrace. That road e no resemble road wey get for be for Cameroon for 21st century. Campaign e dey start small time. I no sabi wait wey they go talk for that people for Nyala. Say make una vote. We go enter for the road again. I say we go enter. Okay. Before we enter for that side, we take una go for Barcelona. We talk this palaver for poor way don't cause people them confusion for Bangu quarters. Inside Barcelona, Douala 3. Paul OH, e don't cash am. I say old age, e don't cash Jipo for that side for Bangu. 2 moon. Light e no dey for that quarter. Place where company where the local light dey na only for pay 100 for reach for the place. If you no wan pay 100, waka with your foot. You go take like some 20 minutes, you reach for the place. But pole e don turn up for people that dom up. 2 moon. They never come open or they never even come fix the pole. I be talk yesterday, 3-year-old pikin be almost die. For sika say rain before for year, e go touch that dom up. Call them sucky. Na different person can move the pikin for day. If no be that person, well for the year now say some one person don't die. 21st century for Cameroon. Now for go for before or for go for back. Wanna sesep, wanna get answer for Gian for we. We no go over talk again. Make people the way they local lights, they walk their walk. I say make they walk their walk. Now disgrace. Say something now we get pull them where they so fun jengu. Oh, Asian cash them. Then when they force it, they need the quickly go fix up. But they quickly can't give people them be say may they pay. Now pull that way, don't fall for pull that dome up. I say now pull that. See I swear pull this see cable. I swear it pass for people that front door. If this thing happen now, so some person he die. That time we go see all kind of jackets. We go see all kind of motor the way they go enter for start work. But no man never die. So for now, they fit continue for duty way they want to do. We talk this palaver for road for Nyala. I say the road, it get problem. Big problem. School the starts. Pikin the way they go school that day, they must to go late. For sika say we no go day. When you see say we Okada man, he get patience so tey he turn up. sabi say e don bad, e don wowo. When okada man dey turn up for some place, sabi say e don bowo, the condition don be na different level. Na him mean say road for Nyala don rot ten. Na why that way okada people dey say they know the waka quick quick. Okada man no dey ever waste time for some side. He no get patience for him mind. So if okada man dey turn up, sabi say e don wowo, road for Nyala don rot ten. Make a singer na how. This same road una dey carry cargo dem go fix Japoma fee. The same road where people dey go waka when they come for here for Mandamba, waka go for day. Una dey wait for fix and at which time? Una wan use am like a campaign something. Una go talk say we go fix una road if una vote free. No be una work for do am. Una get for go promise people dem say una go fix the road. Na road that way don spoil. Water dey for all side. And na that kind of red water wey if some motor mistake e throw you water for your skin, you go cry na cry. You go talk say if I be sabi, I no for even try. See as so okada people dem say they dey turn up for line. When you see okada people dey really get patience so they turn up for line. Sabi say the condition e dey na one way they no fit even manage am. They dey always swim na inside water for Nyala. Big disgrace. I say big disgrace. Okada people dem. I dey talk na with them. Na for sika say they hardly get mind. They no dey ever be patient. When they reach some place, quick they wan pass. Quick they wan pass. Quick they wan pass. But when you see them so they turn up for line. Sabi say condition don wowo. I say the condition e don wowo. So na for talk say road for Nyala. If they no fix am, something go happen. Monday pikin they go school late. Water dey for all sides. Small pikin river wuri, they don carry and put am na for Nyala. Accident dey happen for day. People dey all dey pass na for corner. That place so why they no dey enter for inside? They hope for day na come and see. Only deep way deep. E pass hellfire. No ask ambassador whether he be ever go for hellfire before. See as wey road e don cut. Water dey for all side. How you dey want and say make people dem waka? Okada people dem see as wey dey take their own small consult. But whether they take the consult or they no take am, they go so go meet up the road. They go turn up. I say they go turn up. No take una turn back for Nyala. Una see am. I no go talk. Now the road that when I don't see am as so a day, as I be say people the day wey they no get shame, they go so go make campaign, and plenty people they go come out for chapter for campaign. Since we dey talk palava for road, just for sabi say today it don't make 1 moon since we dey give suspend for guarantee. Now it means say automatic. Tomorrow when na number 1 day for September moon, guarantee get for Star Waka. Yes, e get for Star Waka. After Minister Giyi Kasingo for Sika accident wey be happen for that side for Bumiebe for 1 moon. Now so 1 moon don't come pass. Now mean say guarantee he must to start work tomorrow. Except minister he last give another authorization make them no worker. But automatic. 1 month for guarantee suspend. He don't finish today. Tomorrow guarantee he must to start for worker. We talk this other palaver for court. Wana sabi say yesterday when na Thursday. Normal. People they be the check say they go see Seseko Ayuktabi and he come be them for court from Fundi. Lie to lie. That people they no left them come out from Gata. We turn up for road oh. Now court that for before. Even as well they never paint court. Court it don't also take paint it don't come out. We turn up for corner road. We the wait say that ping pong go bring Seseko Ayuk and he come be them. We wait for day sote we no day. We turn up say we spy. We no see no nothing. Only one thing na waiting. We see na lawyer people the way they come out for court they decam. When I sabi say normal. Tori man he no get for enter for court they no give authorize. So he get for turn up corner eye. We take small image for court from Fundi. What will be the way to? We be check say Seseko Ayuktabi go decam. They no last scam. You know last scam. Only one see na lawyer the way they dey for inside the case, inside the court case. Now them they start come up for outside. Oga through Johnson, he be one of the lawyer there. We all them so they start come up for outside. They start come up for outside small. Waiting he be there. Mfundi called yesterday began for look out Seseko Ayuktabi and he come be them. Palava di tron talk with lawyer people they get and say habeas corpus. Now it means say make they leave Seseko Ayuktabi whether na bail make they leave it there the judge. Now only lawyer people then that way they only come out. Who say Seseko Ayuktabi they say they no level make it come out for inside Ngata. Sabi say people they be check say for the first time they go see it since where they cash it. So even that book where they put am for before say they go give freedom. They deny am. The book you no come out. So lawyer people they thought say they go make appeal for the thing wey happen say the thing just happen some kind of style wey they say they no understand. First they be even talk say people there they get for can judge their case. They be get for left they make the camp but they no last camp. Why they no camp? Even the habeas corpus wey e mean say they get for left that people dem free e no so come out. Na e mean say they deny am. Then country say he sign book he add 2 other lawyer there. All that one is so lawyer people there they dey for on top the case they thought say okay they go appeal so that they go look inside the palava. So our ear there for ground as waiting they pass we self we go talk that palava in the proper. You understand no? We go talk am in the proper. So Seseko Ayuktabi and Ikombi they no last come out for outside yesterday. As we plenty people they be the check say they go come out. So for inside the confusion we go talk the tori sote we reach for say we get for if I start am for halfway. Some people they no go understand. So when I show the image again, more and notice ambassador will be don't first see the image. The part 1 for the story start not as well the lock market and the opener. So make we take una go for Bamenda market. When I sabi say people there for Bamenda now Wednesday night the open market, big market for Bamenda. They open big market for Bamenda for Wednesday. After we big people the head boy for market, they go meet up with the governor Adolphe Lele Lafrique. Sabi say Adolphe Lele Lafrique to vex. He say Benin people they no open Benin place. For Sika say waiting. They say Monday na country Sunday. So Oga Adolphe Lele Lafrique us okay. As on a like on our overlike country Sunday, Tuesday to make on a take and country Sunday no. People that want go market for Tuesday, they see na only uniform, all corner. They say no just open store. You open na you sabi. Now so Wednesday, big people then for market, they say make they go meet up with the governor. They should done with the governor. Not tori. Governor say okay, wanna go open market. But if the open market wey Monday SSF is so day, plenty other Monday the day. Now let me say anytime they would get na 2 country Sunday for inside Bamenda, for inside the market. Now question that way man no be fit for answer. But governor be just talk say make they go open the market. Sabi say even Wednesday they open market, they open am for afternoon. So plenty market people then they no last scan them. Now for Thursday, today Friday, where they start enter market. But when Monday go reach again, how they go do? How they go do? Good. I be talk say I go talk the tori small so that all man go understand. We be meet up with the big man for market. Mbu Stella be put microphone for him up. He tell we wait we carry them go for governor office. Una here?
Governor, as so far that we are you don't talk. So the market is shut down because of the Monday. So why Monday market is not even open? So, but we don't explain with mine. So they don't give you authority now for market will be open. Well, we tell governors so we don't over suffer for these activities. We therefore made up. I will not really know where it go on as a business people. If they say close, we need for close because no one may straight bullets. They too don't say the market will close too because we close. So we plead for you don't hear. So now the message will carry and go for begging, and you don't hear we begging.
So when una be go complain for governor, he hear. How una go do for the other Monday the way they did plenty for before? Una go so be for country Sunday or una go open market?
As man no be God. One man no be cook give for people, it go small. But where plenty people they cook and give for one man, it go plenty. So we don't know. We don't know. All we know is with the suffer. We don't know where will come from Monday. We'll beg for governors to tell you, say, yes, we lead people. But as we come market every Monday, where some of them know, and where people they know they come, and people they are mature people, where we lead. Even any man there for a house, we as a president, we as a executive of market, we don't believe say we fit. We go to take people they key for market, they can open their store. We lead people when we see them, but we don't see them, we sit and we open our store. So we don't plead for you that way. No treaty, we say, Father, but in the tell we say, may we see how we fit do the activity of Monday a worker because the economic it go down.
And just for Sabi say na for Sika say if they so they don't go see governor. Donga many be happen for inside Bamenda yesterday with all the Benin people them for inside market. In Dongamen, Bibin Dongamen be pass. Benin people they come, head boy them for market they come. Even big people themselves for inside Bamenda they be meet up for that side so for conference hall. Now for do waiting for Congress hall as well they call them for talk waiting there for inside their mind, waiting they make them wait they know the open market for Monday and waiting the check saying governor says if you do them before the open market or waiting the fit for do. Waiting be the solution. They talk all their mind for inside that place the Dongame will be passed with the Benin people them and big people them for inside market. We no go over talk plenty. We go just left the people themselves. They start for talk. Wait where they talk inside the meeting. First person way talk na some Benin Ngondere. He talk wait way make am. You know the go market for Monday.
Because we don't see where don't happen. Fire. When the open market went alright, you go come there. The next morning, after they don't set fire for that market, we don't see fire for food market, we don't see fire for bar market. Even they don't succeed for set fire for food market. For your heart, they will follow you. Right from road, where you come up for your heart to go. Once they monitor you, they decide. And you walk out and they don't catch you, beat them, can't send fire from your house. We're not going to lie as our property here today. We want to beg, make a solve this problem because we need to see why certain we can't market on Monday because fire, we prefer to die hungry than to come market on Monday because fire will meet up. So thank you.
So, country people them, now the woman said that, Ngondere for Binesa way the talk. We go level now hear all the things the way they be talking for big people there for Bamenda. After the meeting finish, they call all the problem them back. So we go level now to hear all the complaint with people they give for outside.
When I don't say when you anything they fight, now grass the suffer. So yes. Make government create conducive environment for una do business. Maybe so. Say for boost down the no means no day for transportation for car for market. I want to pay to for car for market for Monday because if na car for market, they go people on shopping. And say security not there for market and for na homes and because if na car for market, government will give security for market and they don't give security for na homes and. And say they like trade, come put that under shop there. Same when they restrict food stamp because of fear for area boys and also for police when they exchange shooting and when they play stray bullets. Yes. And say some charge too much for outside naive make them they play for market. Yes. And say the forces they don't be friendly. Yes. Say when I talk say for that food stamp market will be open, but banks, petroleum company, or other company, they close, so market will always be open and they be closed. Yes. Say a lot of killing because of a lot of fear. Yes. Say the last time when they shoot tear gas for market, and two, they shoot guns in the market where they can have fear and run come up market so that they feel the market.
So now the different thing than that where people them for Bamenda market they put them for before same main governor say we try for look inside if they want and say me they open market for Monday as way it don't ever been a case so they know they open their market now so people they prepare for turn back for school for Sika say time over there plenty we go take una go for case way e overbat for Sika say that school no one pikin e never can register where school they start for Monday. Now for some government secondary school, Katwal, now the school this. Time where water a come, a chakara the school. Now final year classes where water chakara the whole place. I say no one man, since we just on the palaver for Madwam, school the start. For Monday, no one mommy, no one papa, he never can write a bikini name for this school. After where water come, he wash all place, he come up for outside. So they try for tell we say all mommy them and papa they don't carry their pikin, they go for different side. So school for that side for government secondary school Katwal, they no sure whether it go happen this academic year. All man, he don't run enter Sosongo. Water where he come, he can't wash his school, he don't make him sote today as well they talk. One person, I say one person never can put in name for school. Say he go enter for then final year classes. People there they write GCE or one day they write for from 5. Now the class this way chakara. So no one school. I so they never fail be the class. All picking them for this side. They don't run come out. So now me say Monday school no go surely start for that side for Madwa. Katwal it then for under Madwa 1 council for far north. So it dey like say school it no go day. At the top say it dey like say. Except na magic or except na say they left pikin there for register after tomorrow or even for Saturday they will work or for Monday. But for now, one eye pikin, he never writes his name for inside this school for Katwal. So last story before we come out, Sabi say as we talk, we get people there like Cabral Libi, OC Joshua, or then the day for Switzerland as we talk for here, and so for meet up with people them, Cameroon and the far side, for see as we they fit talk with them, even as we vote time, it never reach. But for inside Cameroon, for Afanwi Franklin, where they call it say Prophet Frank, it be there for Fumbot. Now for West Region yesterday, na so for meet up with people them. Sabi say na so chapter for meet up with your people them, for Sabi who they dem, for no be na for campaign, but job for meet up with them. Official time for campaign na 24 day for inside September moon. But for Frank Afanwi, it be there for Fumbot side with the people them. And today we dey try for yes say e go be na for that side so for Chan. So make we finish story with this announce na person wey don lost. We go finish story sabi say the one e dey important, e dey over important for people them. We try for show that photo for the young boy. Now in that they call in a Fomikong and Manuel. They say come on for their family house. 13 August 2018. He get age 24, and they say the boy hate. He no turn out fine. He know the hear no country talk, whether na Queen Elisa or Emmanuel Macron country talk. But if you talk Emmanuel Macron country talk, he go hear you better. They say the pikin he head he no turn up straight, and they try for tell you say any person wey see this boy make he call this thing number them 697-498-473 or 697-450-251. They say Bibi Dash, il go for you. Monsieur Fomikong Alman Joël a quitté la domicile familial depuis le 13 août 2018, âgé de de 24 ans. Oui, de 24 ans, il ne jouit pas de toutes ses facultés mentales et ne s'exprime en aucune langue, mais comprend le français. Nous prions toute personne l'ayant rencontré ou qui le besoin du bien vouloir les contacter au numéro suivant 697 498 473 ou 679 450 221 contre une très forte récompense. So, now for the finish story, last day for Inside August Moon, we go meet up again if Papa God live on for Monday, when a number 3 day for September Moon. PG News Debate, the first one for September Moon, it go come for Saturday, 12:30, so for 1:30. Make una hold am tight for outside.